Welcome everyone to this helpful tutorial. Today I'll show you how to allow microphone access for the Busuu app on your Android phone. This is important because the microphone lets you practice speaking exercises and improve your pronunciation effectively while using the app. First, find the Busuu app icon on your Android home screen. Next, press and hold the Busuu app icon until a small menu appears. Then, tap on App Info from the menu to open the settings page for the app. Once you're inside the App Info section, scroll down and tap on Permissions. Now look for the option labeled Microphone and tap on it. After that, choose the setting. Allow only while using the app. This means Busuu will be able to use your microphone only when you're actively using the app, keeping your privacy safe. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.